Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import photos into the program called Photos, formerly iPhoto. Now I'm having you do this for your photography assignments so that you can turn in your photos on a contact sheet, and this program makes it very easy to do. So I'm going to discuss importing the photos and then exporting them in a contact sheet so that you can turn them in through AirDrop. So that being said, I've plugged in a memory card. It automatically launched Photos, again formerly iPhoto. You can see a memory card here, and so these are the photos that are on the memory card, and I'm going to bring in just one group of pictures right now. So I'm going to click on the first one that I want. I'm going to hold the shift key down and click on the last one. So I'm going to do those 10 photos. So I'm going to click Import Selected, and you can see progress right up here where my mouse is above last import, and there they are. So there's my 10 photos. It tells you 10 items successfully imported. I am now going to click on these and select them again. Click on the first one, hold the shift key down, click on the last one, and I'm going to add these to an album. And the album I'm going to name for what our assignment is, in this case Photography Assignment 1. So I'm just going to put my initials on here like you should for all projects. TZ Photo Assignment, and I'm just going to abbreviate that 1. Always put your initials on these and make sure you say which photo assignment it is. I'm going to select OK. Alright, and now I should be able to go back here and find on the left side here, there's TZ under albums. On the left side is Photo Assignment 1. So there's my album, and now I'm going to export these. So again, I'm going to select them all, and we could also do a Command A here. I highlighted the first one, do Command A to select all, and now I'm going to tell these to print, even though we're not really printing them. I'm going to go to File, Print, and when this window pops up, we're going to have some choices here. Now, one of the options here is to create a contact sheet, which happened to be already highlighted because I went through this once already. So I selected contact sheet, and what we want to do is tell it what kinds of information we want to print. So when I do that, if I go to captions here down in the lower left, select that, I have selected everything on the right side here. I don't really need this information from you on the left, but I do need what camera was shot with, shutter speed, aperture, focal length, ISO, and flash. So that is the information. It's hard to read because it's tiny on here, but that's what's going to appear under each photo, and that way I can compare your settings on each photo that you shoot. Now this Photo Assignment 1 is just a practice one, just to go through the process, so that information's not critical. I want it to appear on your sheet, but it's not critical for this assignment. So when I go to print now that I've got the caption information on there, select print, and we get some choices here. And we're not going to print, like I said, we're going to actually save it as a PDF file, and we're going to name it, and I'm going to name this with my initials, Photo Assignment, whoops, I can't type. Alright, Photo Assignment 1, and it's going to go to the desktop. So I'm going to save that. And then again, you're going to AirDrop that assignment. We will cover AirDrop in class, and hopefully you'll have had a little practice by this point that you'll know how to AirDrop it. But that assignment should now appear, and let me just do Command H to hide photos. And there it is on my desktop, TZ Photo Assignment 1. So now I can AirDrop that when it's complete. Alright, with that you should be able to do that with all of your photo assignments. Again, each photo assignment will have different requirements. The first one is very simple. You're just shooting 10 photos and going through this process for practice.